Hi, my name is Stevie Baker, and I'm the president of the Mariposa Arts Theater Foundation. And I was one of the producers for the Rocky Horror Show, along with Phyllis Johnson, Valerie Thornton, and for marketing, Shannon Hawk. Rocky Horror was directed by Caleb Sauvé. We're thrilled to be nominated in the events category by Jessica Allen. MAT is Orillia's community theater, and we have been for over 53 years now, highlighting Orillia's incredible talent. The Rocky Horror Show is an incredibly important show to the queer community. It's a film that many of us found community in growing up when we didn't really have it around us otherwise. We were thrilled to bring this important, vibrant, and fun production to the Orillia Opera House that was celebrated by people from Muskoka and Southern Ontario who came by the hundreds to see this incredibly fun and lively show. It was a thrill to represent everyone on stage, and we are honored to be nominated. Thank you so much.
So what do I really want to say? Well, my name is Paul Schilling. That's my government name. My spirit name is Dzangi. Dzangi is Sky Buffalo. I'm one of the artists. The rest of the artists would be Ted, Xavier, and Julie, and myself, speaking and painting about the seven grandfather teachings, which are bravery, honesty, humility, respect, love, truth, and wisdom. What happened to my people and most people is that we are carrying blankets of violence, blankets of shame that cover our spirit to the point where we don't even know we have a spirit anymore. And it is those blankets that have to come off the spirit of who we are for us to understand what the grandmother and grandfather teachings are all about. The spirit of who we are is not prejudice. Prejudice is in the mind, and because we don't even know we have a spirit anymore, we think our power is what we think. I try to discourage believing. I believe you're ugly. I believe I'm superior. No, that doesn't work anymore. It's a false